Hi guys, we're here in Dalampasigan. As you can see,
isda dire guys, kay ang isda dire guys, pisko pa
we
kayo
buy
guys.
fresh fish here for healthy and good looking body. We need fresh fish.
Oh.
Fish.
Tara guys, oh, ilang isda oh, pisko pa kayo guys. Nawa guys.
We can't go there because there's a lot of people there. So we're still standing here waiting for the fish because the place is being clean. My God.
Mo dito kay dagang tao guys.
We are very
lang
shy.
kilid ba mag.
You go there, the fish is already done. You go there. So guys, she will get the fish there. Okay?
Manamig palit. So padung pa mi dito sa kuan guys.
So, wait, my God, she forgot. She was sitting in the front seat. You go there. It's just... So guys, we're entering the kingdom of the car. Okay, Bera? So for this continuation, we're going to the mansion of Mr. Ramon Santiago. And we're going there. Over there. Okay. Bera? So guys, look at the sunset. Did you see the sunset? If not, there's no sunset. Okay, guys, I will update you if we are already arrived there. And wait for me, okay? Bye. Guys, my mother is complaining why is the fish is very short. Cleaning is her fish. Why is small?
Guys, grabe ka laglag na guys. Ay, kaya kong partner guys, lag kayo ba? Oh, ngit-ngit na guys, kaya apit na magalas.
Guys, you can see the face of my mother because her face is black. Okay? She did not put foundation.
Agoy di ay.
So, for today's video, that's all. So, hello guys. We arrived. Asa naman to kung gibidyohan? Guys,
Gi-plaster pa akong isda dire.
uy, naasa naman. Nana guys, the one videoing is running away. My God. Oh, what are you doing there?
Sira.
Okay.
Oh, sige na guys, ani sa mi dire sa balay sa
Wala pa gani ka. You did not see in the camera. You're talking.
Ipalayo po na itong naumuro na ng planggana kadako.
Uy, that is not the planggana. It's true.
Namin diri guys balay sa kong mura po na din Christmas tree ang balay ni Ramon oh. Sus Ginoo ko.
Sige.
So guys,
She want to
Dito, guys.
talk. Let's give her the time to
diri
talk.
ta guys. Diri mis balay sa kong hapit sa mi diri guys kay naa mi pamamahayag sa among simbahan ba.
We
Oo. Oh,
we
nabi.
say it.
Nabi. Nabi. Guys, nawi gini guys. Nawi gini. Tuloy na imong English. Say nawi.
We save it here because we have purposes here. That's why we're here. Okay, let's go there.
Nami ganang imbita mi diri guys bakay nami pamahayag
What
simbahan.
is the English of inimbita? We join them. We let them join.
Ay, may hapon sa mga tao diri sa Tambalay oh. Oh, mo
Guys,
ang
this
Tambalay ang
is
beautiful ng
the owner of this house. We're
Oh.
going to survey.
Muna yung asawa guys. Muna yung asawa guys,
How
very
many is the
pretty.
people living here? Subri din, subri.
Lugo ko lang oh.
How many of you here?
Muna yung anak kaya.
Nakita you saw in the video because Bobby is your friend.
Oh,
You saw.
Hoy, pakita siya anak. Ano makita siya naman. Oh,
To apa.
apa?
Dito ka bali.
Basta. Babe oh, naray mong anak oh.
Uy, naapa gani.
Babe.
You forgot.
Anak ni Babe.
Babe?
Hi Papa.
Na, hi Papa.
Sige na. Hi Papa. Uy, hindi siya. Hindi siya, maulong siya.
Yeah.
Guys, kayang Papa anak to sa Singapore.
Ha? Manila.
To Singapore. Oy, yeah, Papa ta
Their
Singapore.
father is abroad, guys.
Makita na siyang Papa. Ayan.
Guys,
Okay guys. You show.
guys, the place is so wonderful tonight, but not my hair. Okay, bra. So guys, we will update you later if they are already dressed up. Charot.
Duyan sa ko diri guys.
Uy, look at the piggy bank.
Guys, duyan sa ko diri kanailang duyan diri guys ba. O sige, translate English.
Guys, she is, what do you call the swing? She swinging.
Swing sa may diri guys.
Uy, don't too much. Labyog.
Likon man ni. Kita magbong ani guys, kita magbong.
Sige guys, bye. That's all. Thank you.